Hey everybody, welcome to our next installment of the Viking Tarot. And this week we're going to be going over the Minor Arcana wands. So, depicted on the cards here for the wands is the giants. They are the primeval forms of energy, fire, snow, and ice. They're aspects of unbridled nature. So these cards actually represent the element of fire, of instinct and nature. The season corresponding with them is summer, of course, with the heat and the sun. So we're going to start here with our Ace of Wands. And depicted on the card is the head of Mimir. So this card actually represents origin, debut, and instinct. The Two of Wands is Thrymer, the thief of Thor's hammer. This card represents meditation, uncertainty, and lost opportunity. The Three of Wands depicts Thrymer guarding Naglfar. This card represents achievement, efforts, and discovery. The Four of Wands depicts Thor's marriage to the giant Yarnzaxa. And this card represents peace, marriage, and shelter. Our Five of Wands depicts Beli killed by Freyr. The card represents struggle, gain, and undertaking. Our Six of Wands is an expedition to conquer Asgard. And it represents realization, war, and supposition. Our Seven of Wands depicts Hrogner, who fights with Thor. And this card represents controversy, competition, and challenges. The Eight of Wands. This depicts the 8 giants killed by Thor. And this card represents controversy, competition, and challenges. The Nine of Wands. There we go. This depicts the 9 mothers of Heimdall. The card represents delay, overtaking, and victory. The Ten of Wands, it depicts Stavaker carries the beams for the enclosure of Asgard. And this represents overtiring, deceit, and double-crossing. Our Knave of Wands is the giant Folvar. And this card represents teacher, dark-haired young man, and good understanding. Now on to the Knight of Wands. The Knight of Wands depicts the giant Hrungnir and his horse going faxy. And this card represents travel, young adversary, and departure. Our Queen of Wands. Love the illustration on this one. This is depicted on here is Sinmara. And the card represents a woman of many resources, fame, and unexpected visits. And our last card in the Minor Arcana Wands is the King of Wands. And here it's depicted with Searcher or Black. And this card represents hired man, commitment brought to an end, and task. So that concludes our Minor Arcana of Wands. I did want to give you just a peek at the book that I've been talking about. If you're not familiar with the stories behind the cards, this is a wonderful book. It is the Norse myths introduced and retold by Kevin Crossley Howland. I'm going to say that. There will be a link down in the description of where you can purchase this book. It has a lot of wonderful stories in it. And then if you want to learn more about the cards and what's depicted on the cards and why, and the stories behind the card, it's a wonderful book to look at so that you can correspond with each. It goes into the creation and everything that unfolds. So when you see a card and I say, yeah, this is what's on it, then you'll understand. So that is the end of our video today. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. If you want to get notifications every time we upload a video, just hit that little bell. We do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, don't forget to like us on Facebook to keep up to date with everything going on with the Enchanted Oak. And we will see you next time. Bye.